When it comes to keeping your Baytown home comfortable, energy efficient, and visually appealing, your windows play a crucial role. Over time, even the best quality windows can wear down due to weather, humidity, and regular use. Knowing when it's time to schedule a professional window installation can save you from higher energy bills, structural damage, and unnecessary discomfort. Here are the top signs it's time to upgrade your windows. Rising energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have been climbing despite consistent usage, your windows could be the culprit. Old or poorly sealed windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Baytown's humid climate, this means your air conditioner may run constantly during the summer, leading to excessive energy consumption. Energy-efficient window installations can dramatically reduce heat transfer and help stabilize your indoor temperature, cutting utility costs in the process. Visible damage or warping. Cracked glass, broken seals, or warped frames are more than cosmetic issues. They compromise your home's safety and insulation. Baytown's heat and moisture can cause wooden frames to swell or rot, while metal frames may rust over time. If you notice condensation between glass panes, it often indicates a failed seal, meaning your double pane or triple pane windows have lost their insulating properties. Replacing these damaged units promptly ensures your home remains secure and energy efficient. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to lock properly, it's a clear sign of deterioration. These issues could stem from warped frames, rusted hardware, or accumulated dirt and moisture. Stuck windows not only make ventilation difficult but can also pose a safety hazard in emergencies. A new window installation will restore proper functionality, enhance airflow, and make your home safer. Drafts and uneven temperatures. Feeling a sudden chill near your windows during the winter or a blast of warm air in summer is a sure sign of air leaks. Drafts indicate that your window seals are failing, allowing outdoor air to infiltrate your living spaces. This problem is especially common in older Baytown homes that still have single-pane windows. Newer energy-efficient models, featuring double or triple panes and insulated frames, can help maintain a consistent indoor climate all year long. Excessive noise from outside. If street noise, barking dogs, or nearby construction sounds are interrupting your peace, your windows may not be doing their job. Modern insulated glass units are designed to reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Installing new windows with soundproofing features can make a noticeable difference in your comfort level, particularly if you live near busy roads or commercial areas in Baytown. Condensation or fogging between panes. Condensation trapped between the panes of your double-glazed windows means the seal has broken. Once that happens, moisture seeps inside and compromises both the clarity and performance of the glass. Foggy windows not only look unsightly but also lose their ability to insulate effectively. Professional window replacement can restore your view and improve thermal efficiency at the same time. Outdated appearance or poor curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things people notice about a home. Faded frames, peeling paint, or outdated designs can make your property look neglected. Upgrading to modern styles, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, can instantly elevate your home's appearance while boosting resale value. Many Baytown homeowners also choose custom designs or tinted glass to complement the area's sunny climate and architectural trends. Moisture or mold around window frames. If you see mold growth, peeling paint, or water stains around your windows, it's likely that moisture is getting in. This can lead to structural damage, poor indoor air quality, and even health risks over time. Replacing your windows with properly sealed, moisture-resistant options can prevent further deterioration and protect your home from humidity-related problems common in Baytown's coastal air. Final thoughts. Your windows impact everything from comfort and energy efficiency to aesthetics and safety. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it's time to consider scheduling a window installation in Baytown. Modern replacement windows not only improve insulation and noise reduction but also add lasting value to your home. Working with a trusted local installer ensures your new windows are fitted perfectly, keeping your Baytown home beautiful, efficient, and comfortable for years to come.